Hi guys, I hope you are well and doing well. Today we are gonna solve our PortSwigger's DOM XSS in HTML, that is inner HTML sync using location.search. Let's start. Before we solve our lab, we will understand the context and the vulnerable point. There is mentioned DOM XSS script vulnerability. The DOM XSS vulnerability exists in the the DOM XSS vulnerability exists in search block functionality. Like there is a functionality in which we have an option to search the blogs, but there is a vulnerability for DOM XSS which we have to cause. So we have to find it, how to execute a DOM XSS vulnerability, how to cause it, and find it. It uses inner HTML assignment which changes the HTML content of a div element using data from location.search. What basically happening here is whatever the query we pass to the search value or whatever we search, it will be fetched from the location.search and it will be stored in the or assigned in the inner.html through inner.html to our HTML code. Let's access our lab. Yeah, our lab is fully loaded. Here we can see that there is an option to search the blogs. Here we can search blogs, like there are some blogs. We can search about volunteering. Let's try the basic thing first. Enter, and we can see 0 blocks for it. Try our unique string hello 123, and we can see 0 search result for hello 123. Then we will try the h1 tags, h1 hello 31 slash h1. If it gets executed, we will know. Yeah, we can see that our hello 321, the unique string here is in different font size, that is h1 tags. Out of that, let's inspect it, and we can see that our h1 tag are uniquely placed, like it was in the HTML itself. We'll try to execute XSS. We'll first try our script alert 1 script, right? Now we'll search, where you can see 0 search result for nothing. We can inspect it and 0 search for results for. We can see that here, let's zoom in. Here we can see that our script is in some shady style. I think there is a DOM prevention in the browsers like Chrome browsers, and this is a Firefox, so they are preventing, or maybe the text is assigned in the HTML using inner HTMLs. Maybe it is not executable. We'll try something else. So what we can do is let's try this space one time, and still there is no response. Now we will be trying the HTML tags. We will be using the image. Now we'll provide an source, like for every image we need to provide a source from where it will be loaded. Here we are providing a wrong, that is a faulty image source address. When a browser tries to load the image from the source X, it will raise an error that the image is not found, not available. And for that, if it generates an error, we will be using a JavaScript function that if an error is raised, then it will call a specific function. So on error equal, if there is an error, then it will call alert 1 function, and let's close it. Now we'll search, and we can see the alert is popped up in our screen saying the 1, right? And okay, and here it is also. We can see that our lab is solved, and we solved our lab. But we are a conscious person. In real life, we need to verify the source from where we caused the XSS. So we'll replace that one, and what will we use? Either we can use document.domain or window.origin. Let's try window.origin and then execute, run it, and here we can see it is same as it. Always need to remember, as we already mentioned, to verify the integrity of the domain or in scope, out of the scope domains, we need to verify this. It is more important. And we also solve our lab. That's it for this lab. Thank you. See you soon.